Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Molina account password. We will also put links in the description below for various insurance programs for you to sign up in case you're interested. To start, open the website molinahealthcare.com. Then click on Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see two options. Click on Member. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the right part of the page. Click on View/Update My Account. On this page, you will see a button for Change Password. Click on Change Password. Now, enter your old password on the first field. On the second field, enter the new password you wish to use. Then enter it again on the third field. After that, click on Submit. That's how you change your Molina account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.